Good evening, everyone. My name is Charanya and I am from year 8A. Today I will be making an eggless hot milk cake. Please enjoy this recipe and hope you enjoy this video. Here are the ingredients to making an eggless hot milk cake. You need butter 113 grams, milk 2/3 cup, flour, superfine flour 210 grams, baking soda half a teaspoon and baking powder 1/2 a teaspoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, yogurt 100 grams, powdered sugar 200 grams, and a pinch of salt. Firstly, heat your pot and put in your butter. Then add 2/3 cup of your milk. Keep mixing your mixture until the butter has melted. And make sure put your flame to the low flame. Now your mixture is ready. Take your baking soda, baking powder and your superfine flour and sieve it. Once done sieving, set it aside. Then add yogurt, add your powdered sugar, and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Here I'm using half a teaspoon, so I have to add it twice. Then stir it. At least your mixture must look like this once you're done. Then add a pinch of salt and mix it. Once you've reached to this step, you can start adding your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients part by part. Do not put the whole thing as it won't mix and it won't come along together. So you may put it part by part. In this case, putting the dry ingredient and the wet ingredient, which is our butter and milk mixture, will be 3 parts. So yeah. By the end, this is how your final batter is supposed to look like. Once that is done, grease your pan that you are wanting to put your batter in. It is actually to your liking. You don't have any specific pan, but I chose to use the rectangle pan. Once you've got your pan greased with butter, you can just actually pour your batter in. This is the kind of results you would be wanting to look for. Leave it inside for at least 3 minutes to let it cool down, and then you can take it out. Once the cake has cooled, then you can put it on a plate. Warning, never cut a cake while it's hot. As you can see, the cake is finally done. It has a very nice shiny golden brown crust on the outside, and as you can see, it is very soft, as you can see. Therefore, we can declare it as it's done.